YouTube. Listen, family, it's a lot going on and we got to talk about it, okay? So listen, I got a jam-packed video for you guys, so please keep it locked. Please make sure you like, subscribe, help this video get at least 1,000 likes. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Guys, just starting off with a quick update on TikTok. How many of you guys use TikTok, and how many of you were temporarily impacted by the TikTok ban? TikTok says it's restoring service to U.S. users based on Trump's promised executive order. Okay, so again, with that and with the whole swooping in to save the day type vibe, Trump is restoring services to TikTok. So by now, some of you should be able to access it if you are in the US, okay? But this is why I often say, if you give people the power to feed you, you give people the power to starve you. Never rely on one platform. Never rely on somebody else, whether it's your job, whether it's a social media app, whether it's anything that they can do things to interrupt your peace. Peace is priceless, guys, and never forget that. This should be a stern and stark reminder for some of you on the importance of getting your affairs in order, having more than one platform, and making sure you are bulletproof in terms of nobody being able to take you completely out with the elimination of one thing, okay? Whether that's an income stream, whether that's a job, whether that's a social media platform, or whatever the case may be, okay? But yeah, keep me posted, guys, if you are up and running back with the TikTok thing. The other thing that's top of the news chain right now is the Trump meme coin, okay? Many people have made tons of money just from Friday to today alone. The Trump meme coin doubles again. The stake is worth $58 billion or more. President Trump launched his own cryptocurrency Friday night, and as of Sunday morning, appeared to have made more than $50 billion on paper for himself and his companies, okay? Check this out, guys. By the numbers, the Trump coin, ticker symbol TRUMP, rose more than 600% overnight Friday into Saturday, and then another 150% Saturday into Sunday morning. It was trading just over $72 as of 7 a.m. Okay, and that gives the coin a fully diluted market capitalization just north of $72 billion. The meme website says 80% of the supply is held by the Trump organization. And check this out, I was trying to pull it up for you guys, but I'm out of the country, and right now they're not letting none of those apps work or show or do anything. So I just had to read to you what I would have showed you in terms of how big of a spike and how big of a jump that the Trump meme coin has had. But this is just a prelude to things to come. And that's why I want you guys to get in early on some of these things I'm going to talk to you about the next 2 days, okay? So kicking it off, other beneficiaries of the new administration taking over, all this new hype, euphoria, guys, don't miss the train, okay? There's going to be volatility, but where you can take and make opportunity, I want you to be in position, okay? This week will be one of those epic weeks. Just, even if you just catch this week and you don't catch all the other stuff that's going to go on, it's going to be enough to change your life, okay? Tesla, guys, is sitting at 428.55. This one has support around 415-ish, 405 to 400-ish. So maybe $20 to $30 is the support range to the downside. That's even if we get that. If the market want to take off and shoot higher right out the gate, guess what? If and when, because it's going to come, I always tell you guys, okay, I can tell you where, I cannot tell you when, because the market likes to take the scenic route. Let me know if that makes sense, okay? And so check this out. Support is at 400, 405, and 415, okay? Those are your support levels. And then if we go lower than that, I'll talk about the 300s in another video. But to the upside, okay, if we can get above 440, okay, you're going to see that run back to 464. But if we get above 464, that's going to be the ticket that opens the door to that 500 level we talked about. Don't rule any of that out. I want you to see how and what type of excitement and euphoria hits the market after tomorrow's presidential inauguration to see if we gap up Tuesday and these plays are already up, it's going to be off to the races, okay? If for whatever reason they buy the rumor and sell the news, if they sell after tomorrow's inauguration and this is down, then I want you to think about these support levels. Let none of it spook you out. Always trade with a plan and manage your risk, okay? That's Tesla, guys. Know your levels, change your life, okay? Support, that means if we go down, look to go down to around 415 to 400, okay? But if we go up, so if you was to buy it here and we go up, boom, you go from 428, 426 to 440. If we go down, you're going from 415 or 400, you getting the call there and you ride it back up to 428, 430, 445, 460. The lower, the better, okay? You guys got to make it make sense, okay? Palantir will be another one to keep your eyes on and make sure you have this on your radar. The ticker symbol for this one, guys, is PLTR. This one is currently sitting at $72. This was up over 3.5%. This one was in the 60s, high 60s, okay? And it's been showing a little fight. It has a little battle in it to make sure it maintains above that $69, $70 price range, okay? But it has heavy support at 68 to 69. So, for example, if we lose $68 in this sell the news event, I want you to remember, Coach said this can potentially come down to the low 60s, like $60, $55. So again, for those that's savvy enough to make money to the downside, if we lose our critical support of 68, you buy puts knowing and understanding it's going to come to the low 60, like $60, $55, okay? And then if we are able to go higher, you already know upside targets, guys. They showed you them so many times, 80, 82, and 84. You already know where we headed to the upside in this, okay? And then if the momentum continues, we got earnings seasons. I'll talk to you guys about that in future videos that's coming. You can see it propel higher. Don't rule out even the 90s to $100 on this, okay? And so again, that's Palantir, okay? And then the third one I have for you guys is NVIDIA, okay? Check this one out. The ticker symbol on this one is NVDA. This one is sitting at 137. It was up over 3%. But here's where the battle is on this one, okay? 138, 137 is a critical level. But if we can get above 140 to 144, preferably 144, if we can get above 144, guys, this can run back to 154, okay? And then potentially 160. That's the target we're looking to hit. However, this one has just been going through it, okay? It's just been volatile, both up and down. And so, again, without able to mount the strength that it needs to, guys, you can easily see this one come back to the low 130s, even the high 120s, like 127, 128-ish in terms to the downside. But guess what? You know the levels, but your job is to react. Don't make any move until you see, okay, everything is selling off. Okay, what levels? Let me go rewatch the video Coach dropped for us to see what he say to the downside. Oh, everything is up and running to the moon. Where did Coach tell us these prices are going on these stocks if the stock market goes higher? And I want you to just play it and keep it simple around here, okay? Don't overcomplicate the game. Don't make it more complex than it needs to be. Keep it simple for me, all right? Listen, guys, we're going to crush it this week. All right, we got one more day, meaning tomorrow the market is closed. So we got one more day. Today is Sunday. We got Monday. And then Tuesday, we get back in the game and do what we do, okay? So I want you to be locked, loaded, and ready to go. Guys, consider joining the money team this week. Everybody else, make sure you're in the Discord first thing in the morning, Tuesday morning. Okay, listen, the money team plays will come out Tuesday morning because the market is closed Monday morning. So normally when you join, you get your plays Monday morning. Because the market is closed, you're gonna get your plays Tuesday morning. Please account for that just because we had another day off in the stock market to start 2025, okay? We haven't had a full week, it seemed like all year, okay? But this week will be another day. We got one day missing, and this one is Monday. So again, guys, our money team plays will arrive Tuesday morning. Be locked, loaded, and ready to go. The plays will definitely change your life. You just need to take advantage of it, all right? Listen, guys, we make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stocks using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.